Meet the Kindle Scribe, Amazon's first Kindle designed not just for reading, but also for writing. Unlike a regular Kindle, the Scribe features a massive 10.2-inch glare-free paper-white display, the largest ever on a Kindle. That means more room for your books, PDFs and notebooks, all in crisp 300 ppi resolution. But here's the real game changer. With the included premium pen, you can take handwritten notes directly in your books, create journals, or mark up PDFs without ever leaving the device. And unlike tablets, there's no charging required for the pen. It's always ready when you are. What most people don't realize is that the Kindle Scribe integrates with your Amazon ecosystem. You can send documents straight from Microsoft Word or even email files to your Kindle and mark them up instantly. Plus, the adjustable warm light and auto-adjusting front light make it incredibly easy on the eyes, day or night. Battery life, it lasts weeks, not hours, making it way more reliable than an iPad for focused reading and writing sessions. If you've ever wanted a device that combines the focus of an e-reader with the flexibility of a digital notebook, the Kindle Scribe is the perfect choice. Check out my affiliate link in the description to grab yours today and see why so many readers are upgrading to the Kindle Scribe.